We've had a 30-year experience with Berkey heating and air conditioning. We've been in this house now for about 30 years, and Berkey's was our first and to this point only heating and air conditioning service provider. In those 30 years, we have been blessed to have great technicians. They have been prompt, they have been courteous, they have demonstrated great knowledge and expertise. I would talk about our relationship with Berkeys as one of trust. They have always demonstrated to us that they have had our best interests in mind and not necessarily trying to upsell us, trying to sell us something that makes them more of a profit or allows them to increase the bill. And they've always been there for us. When we've had an issue, we could count on them to be there and to do the job and to really help us out. So from our perspective, this has been a great 30-year relationship. They've provided us great support and great service.